You are going to love the 2013 Lincoln MKZ. With sharp angles, sleek lines, and a sculpted body, the Lincoln MKZ has an impressive stance and a dynamic design. Add that to the clean, modern interior with standard features including rich leather, exotic wood, and a sophisticated assistant that responds to the sound of your voice, and you'll see the MKZ offers a new dimension of luxury. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: exterior entry lights, traction control, stability control, fog lights, power brakes, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot. Come see the car for yourself.